If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're talking about something many people are feeling, but not everyone understands. Streaming feels worse. More buffering. More apps. More cost. More frustration. So what's happening? Streaming has become crowded. Too many platforms. Too many subscriptions. And instead of simplifying things, it's becoming more complex. That complexity creates problems. More apps to manage. More costs to track. More confusion. And when things become complicated, the experience suffers. But here's the important part. You can fix this. Simplify your setup. Choose fewer apps. Focus on what you actually use. Because streaming should feel easy, not overwhelming. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here. Right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And remember, you were here early.